Salam everyone. Today we are going to start with next topic, that is division of polynomial. This is one of the most important topic of this chapter, as most of the remaining sums are based on division of polynomial. Let's try to understand this few terms p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x with one example. Say 47 divided by 5. So here 5 9s are 45, 7 minus it's what? Remainder is 2. I can write this 47 as 47 equals to what? 5 into 9. 5 into 9 plus remainder. What does it mean? 47 equals to what? 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 2 is what? 47. So here this 47 is what? It's dividend. This is what? Dividend, that is d of x. This 5 is what? It's g of x, that is what? Divisor. This 9 is what? Quotient, that is what? q of x. And the remainder, this is what? r of x. So this is dividend, this is divisor, 9 is quotient and 2 is what? Remainder. So we can form this, we can write this is what? Dividend equals to 5 is what? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now write down this thing. P of x is what? It's dividend. G of x is what? It's divisor. Q of x is what? It's quotient, and the last r is what? It's remainder. So these are the terms which we are going to use for division of polynomial. From this we can write here, instead of dividend is what? P of x, instead of divisor it's g of x, q of x plus remainder is what? R of x. This is the formula which we are going to use. P of x equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Let's solve one example for division. Question: divide x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus 1 by x plus 1. Now here this is what? Dividend, and this is what? Divisor. You have to divide this dividend by divisor x plus 1. So here x plus 1, x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus 1. Now we have to start with the first term of this one. What you are going to multiply with x to get what? X cube. From this term we have to find out x cube. So what I am going to multiply here to get this? It's x cube upon x. So x will cancel this and you will get what? 2. X cube means what? X into x into x divided by x. If I cancel this x, how many x will remain? X into x is what? X square. What does it mean? X I am going to multiply here with x square. So x into x square is what? X cube. Now this 1 is going to multiply with x square. So x will multiply with x square, x cube. 1 going to multiply with x square. It's what? Plus x square. Then leave a line here and this line. Now we have to change the sign. Normally in division we always used to subtract the given number, but here we have to subtract the polynomial. So plus becomes what? Minus, and this plus becomes minus. X cube minus x cube is what? 0. Once we change the sign of this one, now this plus becomes what? Minus. Now we are not going to consider this sign. What you have to do now? It's minus 3. It's minus 3x square minus x square. Minus 3x square minus x square is what? Minus 4x square. So here I am going to write minus 4x square. Take this term over here. Minus 3x plus 1. Now we have to get this first term, so divide this first term by this first term. So minus 4x square divided by x. So x will cancel this 1x. So what is remaining here? Minus 4x. So x multiplied by minus 4x. That's minus 4x square. Now 1 multiplied by minus 4x. Plus minus, it's what? Minus 4x. You have to be very careful regarding this sign. Plus minus minus. Now subtract it again. So change the sign. Minus become plus and this minus become plus. As I told you, now no need to consider this sign. It means it's minus 3x plus 4x. Minus 3x plus 4x, how much? It's only x. Greater number sign. 4 is greater and the sign of 4 is what? Plus. So greater number sign plus here and carry this one. It's 1. Now first term of this polynomial divided by this x. So it's x by x is what? 1. So here I am going to take plus 1. X into plus 1, it's x. 1 into plus 1, it's what? 1. Change the sign. 0, 0. So this is the division of polynomial where you can write q of x is how much? Quotient minus 4x plus 1 and r of x is how much? 0. So remainder is 0 and q of x is how much? X square minus 4x plus 1. So this is the way we can divide any polynomial. Let's take one more example of exercise 2.3 of textbook. Divide this polynomial by this one. If you look at this divisor, here power 2, here constant term and here power 1. So first of all we have to arrange this one in decreasing order of their power. So x square first, then minus x and then 1. Divide by. We have to divide this polynomial. Now if you look at this power 4, power 2, here power 1. There is no any term with power what? 3. So what I am going to take here? X raised to 4 plus 0x cube. 0 into anything is 0. So actually I am adding 0 only here. So the value of polynomial will remain same. So minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now x square into what? We'll get x raised to 4. X raised to 4 divided by x square. So it's what? 2. So we'll get here x square. So I'm going to write here x square. Now this x square is going to multiply with all this number. If you want to do directly, so it's x square, write down this bracket. X square minus x plus 1. This will multiply all these 3 number. So I'll get x raised to 4, x square into minus x cube, x square plus 1 is what? X square. Write down this 3 term over here. X raised to 4 minus x cube and plus x square. Change the sign as you are going to subtract them. And here minus x raised to 4, 0, x cube minus 3x square minus x square. Minus 3x square minus x square. It's what? Minus 4x square. As I told you, once we change the sign, we are not supposed to consider this sign. Minus 3 minus 4x square. Carry this one, 4x. Take this also, plus 5. Now, first term of this one and first term of this one. First term of this, it's what? X cube divided by x square. So what I am going to do, how many x will remain? Only 1. So x square plus here x. Now this x square will multiply with all the 3 numbers. X square into x, it's x cube. Then minus x into plus, it's minus plus minus x square. Now 1 into x, it's what? X. Again change the sign, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So here 0. Now minus 4 plus x square. Minus 4 x square plus x square. minus plus minus, it's what? 3x square. Greater number sign, which one is greater? Definitely 4 is greater. So it's minus 3x square plus 3x plus 4x minus x, greater number sign, and carry this plus 5. Now from this x square I have to get minus 3x square upon x square. X square cancel. What is remaining here? Only minus 3. So here minus 3. Now again this 3 term is going to multiply with 3. X square into minus 3, minus 3x square. Minus x into minus 3, minus minus plus 3x. Now 1 into minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 is minus 3. Change the sign, minus becomes what? Plus, plus becomes minus, this minus becomes plus. So 5 plus 3, just forget about this sign, plus 5 plus 3 is what? 8. It's 0, it's 0. So we got the answer here. Q of x equals to what? X square plus x minus 3. What is the remainder here? R of x equals to 8. So this is our answer. This is the way we have to divide the polynomial. Let's go through one more example. Now this is P of x, this is G of x. P of x means dividend, G of x means what? Divisor. Now if you look at this number, here divisor is what? 2 minus x. So definitely variable first. So here minus x and plus 2. And P of x is what? X raised to 4. There are no terms between x raised to 4 and 5x having power 3 and power 2. So what we are going to take here? 0x cube, 0x square minus 5x plus 6. So now again same way, x raised to 4 divided by x raised to 4 divided by x with minus sign. So 3 will remain, x raised to 3 with minus sign. So x into minus x cube, it's what? X raised to 4. Now 2 into x cube is what? Minus 2x cube. Change the sign, minus becomes what? Plus, and this is what? Minus 0. Now here nothing is there, means 0 into anything is 0. So this sign is nothing. So only what? 2x cube. Now if I take this one, 0x square and minus 5x plus 6. Now 2x cube divided by what? Minus x. So this 3 will cancel and here it's what? 2. So you get minus 2x square. So here I'll write minus 2x square. Now again both this number, minus x into minus 2x square plus 2 into, so minus minus, here it's what? Plus 2x cube. This plus minus minus, here it's what? X square. So minus 4x square. A minus and plus 0, and this will be 4x square minus 5x plus 6. Now this is the first term and this is the first term. Again divided by 4x square divided by x. So x will cancel this one. So I get how much? 4x with minus sign. So it's minus 4x. So I'm going to write here minus 4x. So minus x into minus 4x, it's plus 4x square. 2 into plus 2 into minus 4, it's what? Minus 8x. So it's minus 0 plus minus 5 plus 8, it's minus 5 plus 8. Greater number sign, so it's what? 3x plus 6. From this x I have to get 3x. X upon minus x, 6 cancel, so it's minus 3. So I get minus 3 here, minus minus plus, plus 2 minus 3, it's minus 6. So I get here 0 and this is what? 12. So here I got the coefficient how much? Minus x cube, minus 2x square, minus 4x, minus 3, and remainder is what? 12. So this is the way we can solve any polynomial. Just take care of this thing. If in between variables are not there, power 4 and power 1, we have to take this 0x cube and 0x square. Now let's move to the next question. 2.3, second one. Here we have to check whether the polynomial t square minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial or not. To check its factor, let me give you one example. If I say 3 is a factor of 12. 3 is a factor of 12 or not? How are we going to find out? 12 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. Remainder is what? 0. So if I am getting the remainder 0, I can see that 3 is a factor. So same way, I am going to divide this polynomial with t square minus 3. If I am getting the remainder 0, I can say that this polynomial is t square minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. And if you not get the 0, then it's not a factor. So it's t square minus 3. Here already the powers are in decreasing order. 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube, 2t square minus 90 minus 12. Now the first term of this divided by this first term. So 2t raised to 4 upon t square. T square will cancel this 2. So I get 2t square. So write down here 2t square. Multiply both the term, t square into 2t square, 2t raised to 4. Minus 3 plus 2. 3 2s are 6. 6t square. And here the term is what? Cube. We can't write any square term below the t cube because we have to write this like term under like term. So 3 2s are 6t square. I am going to write here minus 6t square because these both are like terms. Change the sign, minus 0. Take this term as it is, 3t cube, and this minus becomes what? Plus. Plus 6 minus 2. It's plus 6 minus 2 is what? 4. So I'll write here plus 4t square. Take here minus 9t. Again, from t square I have to get 3 on t square. So this one cancel, only 1 will remain. So it's what? 3t. So you have plus 3t. T square into 3t is 3t cube. Now minus 3 into 3, minus plus minus, minus 3 into plus 3 is 9. So it's what? Minus 9t. I have not written this 9t over here because the power is what? Square. But here the power is what? 1. Like term under like term. Change the sign. It's 0. Minus becomes what? Plus. And take this term as it is, 4t square. And this is what? 0. Carry this one here, minus 12. Now what is the first term of this? It's 4t square upon t square. T square cancel. What is remaining here? Plus 4. So I write here plus 4. T square into 4, it's 4t square. Minus plus minus, 3 4s are 12. It's minus, it's plus, 0 0. So I got the remainder 0. As I got the remainder 0, I can say that this term t square minus 3 is a factor of this given dividend or polynomial. So here the final statement will be what? T square minus 3 is a factor of given polynomial.